Now, your Local 2 Weather Authority forecast.
All right, thanks. Well, we are continuing to see more of those warm temperatures out there, but across most of the state, hey, it's clear skies, a chance to see a lot of sunshine. Really, we're one of the only places where we're actually looking at any activity. A few clouds, a few showers, trying to make their way into southeastern New Mexico, into the Davis Mountains. Just not seeing a whole lot of oomph behind any of these storms, really not making much headway into the basin, and that's why we're going to be staying clear into this afternoon. For most of us, not really too much activity over the next few days, but if you are off to the west, that's where you get that chance to see a few showers or storms. Now, one thing we're all looking at, though, is a lot more moisture in the air. Our water vapor satellite imagery continuing to bring in a lot of that humidity in the upper atmosphere, and that's slowly making its way down towards the surface. It's why we're looking at all these elevated dew points out there, 70s down by the Gulf Coast, just like we've seen over the past couple of days. Big difference is it's starting to creep into West Texas as well, with those dew points getting into the lower 60s across parts of the basin. That means some very, very muggy weather by the time we move into this afternoon. If we could deal with a dry heat, it would be a whole different story out there, but unfortunately, that is just not going to be the case as we continue to see more of that moisture making its way into our viewing area. Now, even with that low pressure sitting in place off to the north, that's what caused some of those storms that we saw late last night. We had some thunderstorms off to our west into the evening hours, overnight, and that with that low remaining in place, we're going to continue to see that chance for a little bit of westerly rainfall, but unfortunately none of that making its way into the basin. We're going to continue to stay clear and dry over the next couple of days. Few storms still possible, though, in southeastern New Mexico towards this evening and into the overnight hours. Now, this weekend could be a different story, though. That's when we get that chance for a few scattered storms across parts of the basin, and that'll be lasting Saturday into Sunday. Not a whole lot of widespread activity, just some spotty coverage, but still, any rainfall would be a welcome change of pace for us. Hey, if we got to deal with the humidity, let's at least get some rain out of it, and that could be the case Saturday and Sunday. For now, though, warm and windy out there. 95 degrees for our high today with some pretty gusty winds going into this afternoon. Highs taking a little bit of a dip over the next couple of days. Lower 90s by Saturday with those rain chances, but then heating up in a huge way by next week. 97 Monday, 99 Tuesday and Wednesday, and triple-digit highs are definitely in the equation. Could be looking at those sooner rather than later.